Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, I'll be explaining about Chapter 1, 1.2 Merismatic Tissues and Growth. Please sit back and enjoy the video. There are two types of merismatic tissues. The first one is apical tissues. It is located at the tips of the plant shoot and root. The second one is lateral tissues. It consists of vascular cambium and cord cambium. Like what I've said before, apical tissues are located at the shoot and the root of a plant. For lateral meristems, they are present on the lateral side of the stem and root of a plant. As you can see here, these are vascular cambium and cord cambium. There will be 4 zones of cell growth. At the shoot tips, from the top, it starts with zone of cell division, then zone of cell elongation, followed by zone of cell differentiation, and the last one will be matured tissues. Vice versa at the root tips, zone of cell divisions started from the bottom, followed by zone of cell elongation, then zone of cell differentiation, and the last one will be matured tissues. Zone of cell division takes place at the apical meristems. The increase of the number of cells causes the elongation of the plant stem. When cells are forming, the cells formed previously are pushed to the zone of cell elongation. Secondly, zone of cell elongation. It consists of cells that are increasing in size. The small vacuoles fuse to form a larger vacuoles. This process is called vacuolation. The diffuse water exerts pressure against the cell walls, which pushes, elongates and widens the cell. And as you can see here, the cell is larger than before. Lastly, zone of cell elongation. It consists of differentiating cells that differentiate once they have reached their maximum size. Cells differentiate to form a permanent tissues such as epidermis, cortex, xylem and phloem. Let's zoom into our own Malaysia timber, as they are a good examples of edicots that undergo secondary growth and give us a lot of economic importance. Clearly, these are 4 types of timber that can be found in Malaysia. They are heavy hardwood, medium hardwood, light hardwood, and lastly softwood, which rarely can be found in Malaysia. Balau. Balau is one of the examples of heavy hardwood. It belongs to the Dipterocarpaceae. It is usually distributed to West Malaysia. Second, Kasai. Kasai is categorized in the medium hardwood type. It belongs to the Sapindaceae family. The subwood is lighter in color than the hardwood and isn't sharply defined from the hardwood, which is pink, red or red-brown. Third is Meranti. It is one of the examples of light hardwoods. It is in the same family as Balau, the Dipterocarpaceae family. It has many groupings such as light red Meranti, dark red Meranti, white Meranti, yellow Meranti, and Balau. Lastly, for softwood, the example is pine. Pine is any conifer in the genus Pinus of the Pinaceae family. As with other coniferous wood, the properties of the woods depends upon the density of the annual growth ring. The higher the proportion of summer wood, the heavier and harder the wood. This is the chart that shows the number of exports of Malaysian timbers product by region from 2012 to 2014. As we can see, Malaysia exports to Asia the most and to the other countries the least. That is all from me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wishing all of you get A+ in biology. Thank you.